My name is Caveman.
My name is Cavewoman.
Ah.
Ah.
The Adventures of Caveman and Cavewoman, Season 1, Episode 1, Caveman and Cavewoman Go Camping.
I am bored. What should we do?
We can go camping.
I agree with you, Caveman. I got some marshmallows.
"10 minutes later.
Our marshmallows are done.
Our marshmallows are good.
Yeah, let's make some s'mores.
That is a good idea. I got some marshmallows, chocolate and graham crackers.
But first, let's add 2 graham crackers, marshmallows and 4 chocolate pieces.
Let's melt the chocolate pieces and the marshmallows.
After Caveman and Cavewoman made s'mores.
Perfect! Our s'mores are ready, let's eat. Wow! Our s'mores are like a graham cracker marshmallow and chocolate sandwich.
Yeah. Our s'mores taste so good.
Let's relax with the fire.
That is a good idea, Caveman. Let's relax, but don't get burnt.
Hey guys, did you enjoy Season 1 Episode 1, The Adventures of Caveman and Cavewoman? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. You can also comment and like. Bye bye!